Welcome to Vision Plus. We are looking at a mock examination paper from the Giant Mock Examination Board of 2024. We are on number 1. Now we want to use method 2. Method 2 is the method of LCM, and we did method 1 in the previous video. So in method 2, we need to get the LCM. Which LCM? We get the LCM of the denominators. And if you look here, the denominators are 2 and 3 on the opposite side of the inequality. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is senior 1 work. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Basically, LCM means the lowest common multiple. In other words, it is the smallest number that can be divided to 2 and 3, which is 6. After getting the LCM, then we multiply both sides by LCM. We multiply both sides of the inequality by the LCM, which is 6. So I'm going to copy the question while multiplying both sides by 6. So on the left hand side, I will say 6 times a half into 3x minus 2 is less than, and then again times 6. 6 times 1 out of 3 into x plus 4. I have multiplied both sides of the inequality by the LCM, which is 6. Then I simplify. If I divide 6 by 2, if you divide by 2 1, by 2 3. So here I will have 3 into, I don't like crossing out, we shall have 3 into 3x minus 2 is less than, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So here we shall have 2 into x plus 4. And then we open the brackets, we operate the brackets. On operating the brackets, here we shall have 9x minus 6 is less than 2x plus 8 if you open the brackets. And then you collect the like terms. So I will carry this to that side. Remember, we treat inequality like an equal sign, but we never change it to equal sign. So here I will have 9x minus 2x is less than 8. If I carry this negative 6 to the other side of the inequality, it gives us positive. It becomes plus 6. 9 minus 2, 7. So we shall have 7x being less than 8 plus 6, 14. Then I say both sides by 7, both sides by 7. So if I divide both sides by 7, I will have 7x less than 14, both sides by 7. So my x here will be less than 2. This is the solution to the inequality that we were asked to find. Find the solution or solve the inequality. So this is the solution to the inequality. And the second part of the question said, and represent it on a number line. Represent the solution on a number line. So basically, on the number line, a number line is just a straight horizontal line. It has arrows on both sides. This is to negative infinity, and this goes to positive infinity. In the middle here, you can mark 0 or any convenient point that you like to put there. Then you mark. You don't need to mark a lot of points. You can just mark what you have. Like there it is 2. So someone marks 2 here and a corresponding negative 2. Remember, when we are plotting inequality on a number line, if you have a symbol, if it is less than, or you have a symbol of more than, this one you use a circle, open point. open point or a circle. But if you have a symbol less than or equal to, or a symbol more than or equal to, then we use a solid point, simply because that number is inclusive. We have a detailed explanation on this, starting from Senior 3 Mathematics and even under Linear Inequality and Programming. Inequality and Linear Programming. You will have the same concept there. Please visit our videos. So from here, we have our variable x is less than or equal to, our variable x is less than 2. It is simply less than 2. So that is positive 2, so you come to 2. But remember, if it is just less than, then we use an open point on 2. So here we shall have open circle on 2. That means 2 is not inclusive, but there is a number very close to 2, like 1.9999. It is close to 2, but it's not 2, so we use an open point. And then if you look at the inequality, x is less, so our variable takes on values which are less. So you go down to a lesser side. So this is the representation for the solution x is less than 2. On this axis, these are just the values of x. So somewhere you can just mark x. These are the values of x that we are representing on this number line. So this is the solution to number 1. We shall be going to number 2, and in case you have questions or queries, then please leave them in the comment section and we shall look into them. In case you have another alternative that we have not done, you can show it in the comment section so that your colleagues can be in position to review it. Thank you.